16 peaceful residents of Taganrog are accused of organizing the activities of an extremist organization.
If you examine the law, it's hard to find something in the law that would allow it to be applied to Jehovah's Witnesses at all, since, even as the European Court notes, Jehovah's Witnesses are peaceable people.
The basis for initiating the criminal case was video material that was secretly recorded by operational or special services. They are recordings of the religious services of Jehovah's Witnesses, and in the court session, we watched those recordings. There is nothing criminal in them. People are reading the Bible. People are singing songs. People are praying to God.
That's all the evidence in essence that there is. There are video recordings of religious services in which it is plainly evident that these are typical religious services which are held in various cities, New York, London, and also in Rostov-on-Don. These are all the same religious services.
You take a normal citizen of the Russian Federation living under normal circumstances with a normal family, and suddenly there's a search, and they charge me with being a criminal. What violation did I commit? Even now, I still don't understand.
I was given a paper that had a phrase on it, that if a person stops doing what he had been doing and promises to not do it again, then they would stop the criminal prosecution.
The investigator plainly stated in his office, "Sign a paper that you renounce being one of Jehovah's Witnesses, and we will close the whole case against you and release you. Go where you want."
They asked me to sign that document. In essence, they asked me to renounce my faith, which of course I refused to do. But that fact is clear. That's what they want. They want me to renounce my faith.
How can you judge a person for what he believes? You can judge a person for theft and imprison him for, let's say, 5 years. But if a person has faith and is imprisoned, will he renounce his faith in prison? Every religious person has the right to profess his religious views.
If the verdict is guilty, of course, this will affect me, as well as all of Jehovah's Witnesses, because this will be a precedent.
It is the only judicial case in Russia where believers are, essentially, being compelled to renounce their faith under threat of criminal prosecution. In the very center of the city of Taganrog is a building with a commemorative plaque inscribed with the following: "The People's Commissariat of Internal Affairs was located in this building from 1928 to 1941, where repressed people were groundlessly tortured." I really hope that in a few decades from now, there won't be a commemorative plaque on the building of the Taganrog City Court with the inscription, "In 2014, peaceful residents of the city of Taganrog were groundlessly repressed in this building only because they were believers."